Okay, so we're back and ready to dig into some serious gold talk. You know what I mean?
You bet. Let's get into it.
Today we're looking at North Bay Resources,
Right.
a gold mining company, making some real waves recently.
For sure, their Bishop Gold Mill
Yeah, their Bishop Gold Mill.
is showing some pretty amazing results.
Seriously impressive stuff coming out of their Fran Gold Project.
Exactly.
So that's kind of what we're going to be, breaking down today in this deep dive.
Sounds good.
You know what this news release really tells us
Mm-hmm.
about how their operation's actually going
Right.
and what it could mean, going forward.
Yeah, totally. Because you look at the headline number, right?
Yeah,
8.52 ounces of gold
per ton.
per ton of concentrate.
That's insane.
Yeah, that's high grade.
Especially when you think about how they're getting it out.
Yeah, it's through a gravity separation process.
Right.
Which means they're not using like harsh chemicals or anything like that. It's literally just using gravity.
It's smart, too, because that keeps costs down, right?
Absolutely. It's a very efficient and cost-effective way to extract gold.
Okay, so efficiency, we're checking that box.
Yeah.
But here's what really caught my eye. In their earlier studies, they were projecting 8.54 ounces per ton?
Yeah. I mean, it's practically the same.
So, what does that kind of consistency tell us about their process?
Well, it tells me they really know what they're doing.
Okay.
It's not just a fluke.
Right.
Like, they've got a good understanding of the deposit.
Mhm.
They've dialed in their extraction method.
Right.
And they're able to consistently produce these high grades.
So it's not just like some lucky strike they hit,
Not at all. This points to a reliable process.
which is huge for investors.
Absolutely. Consistencies is key when you're talking about mining.
Right, because you want to be able to predict those future,
Exactly. You want to see that track record. Builds credibility.
So this Fran Gold Project, this is what we're really talking.
This is where it's all happening.
34,360 acres.
That's massive.
I mean, that is a huge chunk of land.
Yeah.
And it's just 20 miles from, that huge copper and gold mine, Matt Milligan.
Right. Which is a major producer.
Exactly. So you're already in a good neighborhood, right?
Exactly. Being near a proven successful mine like Matt Milligan is a good sign.
Yeah, so that whole region's got potential.
Right.
Plus, they've already done over 50,000 feet of drilling.
That's serious exploration.
Shows real commitment.
Yeah, they're not messing around.
But there's one area in particular that really stands out. It's called the Bullion Alley Zone.
Yes.
This thing is 3,700 feet long,
huge.
up to 120 feet wide, and it goes down over 700 feet deep.
It's a monster.
It's like a gold-filled highway running right through the property.
And it's not just one vein. They've found multiple veins within the Bullion Alley Zone.
Oh, wow.
With some high-grade potential.
Like how high are we talking?
Up to 2.6 ounces of gold per ton.
Whoa.
But here's the thing. It's not just gold. They've also hit some promising amounts of copper.
No way.
Up to 1.68%.
Okay.
And silver, too, averaging 5.1 ounces per ton.
So this isn't just a gold play.
Nope. It's a multi-metal project.
Which adds a whole other layer.
Definitely.
To the potential here.
Yeah, because we're not just talking about gold anymore. You've got copper and silver in the mix.
And those are both in high demand right now.
Especially with the growth of renewable energy and technology.
So this could be a real game changer for them.
It could be a very valuable asset.
Absolutely. And they're not wasting any time getting things moving.
Yeah, they've got a surface subzone with 5,000 tons ready to ship.
So they can start making money right away.
Exactly. Surface mining is generally cheaper and faster
Right.
to get into production compared to underground mining.
So it all sounds incredibly promising.
Right.
They're optimistic about the future.
They wouldn't be investing all this time and money if they weren't.
So it's definitely something to watch.
Definitely a company to keep on your radar.
So here we have North Bay Resources. They've got this potentially massive gold deposit.
Right.
They're extracting it efficiently, and they're hinting at a multi-metal future.
It's a compelling story.
All right. Well, that's it for today's deep dive. Thanks for joining us.
It was a pleasure as always.
Until next time.
See you.